Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday October 10 to Saturday October 16, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. It's on sale 2 for $7.98. So you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98. So you can use one $7.90 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Pay or roll, nothing out of pocket. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Select Crease toothpaste and Scoop mouthwash and Select Oral-B toothbrush and Bird Bees toothpaste deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $4.99 each. So you can buy 2 Oral-B or Bird Bees and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $4.99 each. So you can buy 1 Crease Scoop toothpaste 2 pack, it's $4.99 each. Buy 1 Scoop mouthwash 1 liter is $4.99 and buy 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush 2 pack, it's $4.99. Buy 1 Bird Bees toothpaste 4.7 OZ is $4.99. So the total comes out $19.96. You can use 1 6 of 4 Creased Oral Care CVS CRT. Use $1 of Crease toothpaste digital coupon. Use $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. Use $1 of Scoop mouthwash digital coupon and use $2 of Bird Bees toothpaste digital coupon. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $7.96 and get back $4 ECB for the Bird Bees and Oral-B and get back $3 ECB for the Scoop and Crease toothpaste. So the final cost is only just 96 cents or 24 cents each. My next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. That one has a limit up to 1 time and buy 1 CoverGirl Pro and Eye Maker eyeliner is $6.49. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl lipstick is $9.49. So the totals come out $15.98. You can use 1/3 of 15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $2 of CoverGirl Lip app only coupon and use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Revlon cosmetic deal. Spend 15 on Revlon cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit up to 6 times. So you can grab 2 Revlon So Fierce mascara. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use 1/5 of 20 Revlon cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1/4 of Revlon CVS instant coupon. It's printed on next week. Plus you can use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is Iris Spring or Soft Soap body wash deal. Buy 1 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a up to limit 3 times. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Iris Spring body wash. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. You can use 1/3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use $1 of Iris Spring body wash digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. And use 175 cents of Iris Spring body wash printable coupon on irispring.com. So the total coupon is $4.75 and you can pay or roll $3.23 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 77 cent money maker. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable coupon for the Iris Spring or Soft Soap. My next deal is select Neutrogena Dial, Nivea Clean and Clear and Burt's Bees Skincare deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB and it's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 40% off. So you can buy 2 Nivea body lotion 8.4 OZ, it's $10.54, it's $6.59 each and buy 1 get 1 40% off. You can use 1 3 of 10 any lotion CVS CRT, use 1 $2 of Nivea body lotion digital coupon, use 1 $2 of Nivea body lotion printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available, so the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $3.54 and get back $2 ECB, so the final cost is only just $1.54 or 77 cents each. My next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend 20 and get back $10 ECB. So you can grab 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use 1 3 of 10 any lotion CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of $8 any Eucerin lotion CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Eucerin lotion digital coupon and use 1 $2 for Eucerin lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care deal scenario 1. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit up to 1 time. So you can grab 1 L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer 2.5 OZ, it's $19.99 and buy 2 L'Oreal Foaming Gel Cleanser 6.8 OZ, it's $10.38. It's $5.19 each. So the totals come out $30.37. You can use 2 5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $22. Pay or roll $8.37 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $4.63 money maker. My next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care deal scenario 2. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. So you can grab 1 L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum $32.79. You can use 2 5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 of L'Oreal Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $22. Pay or roll $10.79 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $2.21 money maker. My next deal is select Silk or Skintimate razor deal. Spend 15 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 1 Silk Institution razor, it's $8.99 and buy 2 Silk Skintimate disposable razor, it's $11.98. So the totals come out $20.97. You can use 1 5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use 1 4 of Silk Institution razor CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of 2 Skintimate razor CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $7.97 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.97 or 99 cents each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable and digital coupon. My next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend 20 and get back $5 ECB. So you can grab 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner, it's $12, is 3 for $12 and buy 1 Tide Pod 21, it is $11.94. So the totals come out $23.94. You can use 1 2 of 12 Pantene CVS CRT, use 1 5 of 3 Pantene Hair Care digital coupon and use 1 $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $13.94 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $8.94 or $2.23 each. But if you have the Pantene insert coupon, it's glitched with the digital coupon. So if you have that, you can stack with this deal. So get the money maker deal on this deal. My next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend 20, get back $5 ECB. So you can grab one child liquid 92 FL OZ is $11.94 and buy one child port 21 to 35 CT is $11.94. So the totals come out $23.88. You can use 1 4 of 15 child port child Downy Gain CVSCRT, use 1 3 of child port digital coupon and use 1 $3 of child liquid digital coupon. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $13.88 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $8.88 or $4.44 each. My next deal is Voltarena Arthritis Pain Relief Gel deal. Buy one on Voltarena Arthritis Pain Gel, it's 0.7 OZ is $6.59 each in my store. You can grab one and you can use 1/6 of Voltarena CVS mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Hope we get off the $6 off, because this week we get the $6 off. If you didn't get this gel, you can use that coupon on the 0.7 OZ only. Pay or roll only just 59 cents. So the final cost is only just 59 cents each. My last and final deal is Select 4 deal. Spend 20 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit up to one time. So you can grab 2 Nature Valley bar. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Buy 3 General Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal 12 OZ is $5.97. And buy 2 General Mills Lucky Charm cereal 12 OZ is $3.98. But make sure to check which cereal and granola bar is included on their deal. So the totals come out $19.93. You can use $2 off 8 any breakfast CVSCRT. Use 150 cent of 2 Nature Valley digital coupon and use 150 cent of 2 Nature Valley digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. Plus you can use $1 of 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch with the printable coupon. You can use 2. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10.93 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5.93 or 84 cents each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.